see more traffic, and but he does not. And with current conditions with the United States and we're trying to mess around, and, you can see all those cars tailgating. That's a wolf pack. So you're gonna get off at this exit. I'm gonna have you get off. You're gonna go into the roundabout and go in and around to the left. So follow the car, go in slow. Yes, brother. Nice shot. Yep, slow that speed down so around the curve because it's going to be a roundabout. Nice. Okay, you're gonna go up to the roundabout. There's the warning sign. Go up, turn on left turn signal down, squeeze your brake. Okay, so we have to go up and yield. You're gonna go in and around to the left. So he's got his left turn signal on. He's just slowing down real easy. Squeeze that brake. I'm looking left and right. Squeeze the brake. Got a car. Squeeze the brake. Good. Go through. Stay to the left. Go around. It was a little close. Stay to the left. Good. Accelerate through and go in. Yep. Go up over the bridge. Nice. Accelerate through. Good. And you're going to take 94 west now. Get back on the expressway. So instead of us kind of messing around in town, there's some high schools here, gas stations, bathrooms. We don't have time for that. Turn on left turn signal, get in the middle lane, start slowing us down. You'll see a sign up there. Nice. And then you'll just wait for the next light. Got a guy walking over there randomly. I don't know what he's doing. Don't be messing with those randoms. Yeah. I don't know. Make that left turn, brother. Go ahead and get on the expressway. He's going to take his time. Merge back on. Take your time. Beautiful. If you want the visor down, schwap. Get that visor down. Take your time. And then he's going to merge on. This curve is kind of steep, but we're going to have a lot of semi-trucks from the Canadian-U.S. border dropping off parts, trash, raw materials. We know about NAFTA, the North American Free Trade Agreement between Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Wait till the line is broken. Accelerate. Now get us over. Nice merge. Hey. Good. Kill your blinker. Relax and drive. You could be taking yourself home. So you saw easily got back up to speed. That was good. And it's about time management. We're about 20 minutes out. I don't rush my students early on. I was rushing my students. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Running late. It does cause problems and headaches. And it's not worth it anymore. So you got to work smart, not hard. You're doing great. Keep eating. You're doing great. Gas is good. We're at a half a tank. We're good. This car doesn't have any smart sensors. I always like to check the temperature or the pressure of the tires. We don't have these features. We don't have adaptive cruise control. It does have cruise control. It's got a passenger side, a driver's side airbag. It's actually got side airbags too, so, and anti-lock brakes. But no self-driving features. At about 70, some cars kind of creeping up on us. You're doing fine. Keep driving. So we're about 70. They're about 70. It could almost be 80. I don't have a radar detector. I'm just kind of looking at their movement. They're moving pretty good. You're okay for now. I'm gonna let the two cars behind you passes. Then you'll do what you need. Stay here for now. Keep driving. Let them pass you. I never want to put pressure on my student. He's about 70, but if we get to the left lane, he's gonna have to pick up and go really fast. Not necessary yet. Go ahead and get us over one lane to the left. Pick us up. Accelerate us. Get that speed up. Keep driving. Keep eating. Nice, man. Take your time, man. You don't have to kill our baby. She good. She good. Keep driving. Yep. I want to pass this traffic, and then I have to get back over. Stay on that gas. Got that Tesla. Yes. And then when you go ahead and get back over to the right. Nice, brother. Beautiful. And then you'll see a black Dodge Ram. We're about 70, 75. The Dodge Ram is about 80. You'll see him coming by. Shoot. All right, you keep driving, brother. Keep eating. So you kind of see the HDS, the highway transportation system. Slow moving traffic keeps to the right, even though we're about 70, 75. Yes. Yeah, he's driving very safe, very consistent. Once you get near the truck, in fact, go ahead and change your lane to the left. I'm getting over early, so he doesn't have to deal with the slow-moving trucks. But now you're going to see him work harder. Keep your speed up, because we don't want to mess with these semi-trucks, real life. So these semi-trucks have 4 no zones: left side, right side, front, and back. We want to get in and out of this blind spot like we are. We don't want to play. We just want to keep it moving. Good. Lift your foot a little bit, cruise. Now drive. There you go, bro. Keep eating. Yes, sir. Yep. Semi-trucks, keep moving. Some of these companies I don't even know. You're doing great. Keep driving. Keep speed. And then once you see this Ranger in your mirror, then get back over to the right. So stay on the gas. Just gradually pick up a little bit. Got plenty of time. Don't cut them off. Keep driving. And I want him to see the vehicle in his rear mirror. I want him to cut it off. Keep driving. Once you see him in your mirror, then you, yes sir, beautiful. Yes, woo, love that. Nice try. Keep driving. And if you work hard, time goes fast. If you waste students' time, it goes slow. Keep your speed up. You're doing well. Perfect. But also, if we were really deep in the interstate, when we pull in to get fuel, I like to check the temperatures of the tires. If one is warmer than the other, there could be a problem. I was watching Street Outlaws, and one of the guys, formerly for 405, his big toter broke. He has some issues. So you got to stay on top of your maintenance. Keep speed up. You got to stay on top of your maintenance. Tires, brakes, cooling system, air conditioning. This air conditioning is running pretty much all day. I've been up since 6:30, 6:45 this morning. This car's been running since 6:30 or 6:45 a.m. and it's about 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's a lot of wear and tear on a battery or a motor or oil. So oil changes are critical. And just knowing your vehicle.